Alright, good morning everyone. We're going to try this again. Okay, so it's the following day. It's a little bit colder, a bit minus 28, feeling into the mid-upper minus 30s. So I've charged up the battery because it was, as you could see in the last video, it was dying off. And it has been plugged in for about an hour and a half now. So we're just going to see if that's enough to make this old girl roar to life. Starter's frozen. Oh. Come on, old girl. There she goes. Come on, old girl. You're a little wee bit of gas. There we go. Come on. There she goes. Little help with the accelerator. Now we'll give you a shot of oh, just a sec. We gotta go fire it up again. Close. Sort of roar to life here for a minute. Yes, this is probably the coldest start I've actually had this old girl running. She'll. Oh, alright, now she's gonna idle. We'll let her come up on her own. There she goes. Okay, now I'm gonna give you now we will try and give you a little clip of the exhaust. Not much. Shot at the other side. So there you have it. There you have it. You know, you plug in a big block, have a reasonably warm battery charged up, and even in the minus 30s, a 1976 big block can roar to life. That's not a lot of smoke for such a cold day. A little bit of an exhaust leak up near the muffler somewhere. See a little bit of smoke there, I'm pretty sure. It runs beautifully. Now, the other thing I guess I should say is, this is not new fuel either. It's probably about 3 years old, so just the fact that it can start in this cold of temperature, you know, says something all in itself. I'm trying to burn off this older fuel. I filled up the tanks during COVID, up here gas was 65 cents a liter, so I filled them up, but unfortunately we ended up using this this motorhome. We ended up buying another one, so it kind of sat, so the fuel just kind of aged with it. I don't think there's a ton left. The gauge says 3/4 of a tank, but I took some fuel out of the other tank because there's two tanks in this. One's a 50 gallon, the other's a 27 gallon. The generator currently doesn't start because the tank that I took out of the auxiliary tank, which is what the generator runs off of, to top up the main. So, but yeah, I mean, we're fast idling as we should be, and give you one more shot of the exhaust, because it seems to be idling a little quicker. Not bad though. She just runs like a top. Just purrs like a tip. And as it gets warmer, you don't even hear the exhaust leak up here, but you just know there's one because there's a little bit of smoke up here. Put some air in the tire too. Let this run for a bit because it had some no starts, and so there's a little added fuel, I think, in the cylinders and whatnot, but she's running nice now. So I'd take the engine cover off and do that, but it'd be so cold, the fan blowing that minus 35 plus degree air at me. But the carburetor's original. I've never done anything to it. It's whatever Chevrolet or Quadrajet, whatever they did, hasn't been touched. I've not had it off. And with 36,520 miles on it, I don't believe anybody else has had it off. The only thing I've done to the engine is I replaced the spark plugs, which I believe were the originals. They were white and green AC Delcos. And then I put in, the white and blue AC Delcos. And I replaced the distributor cap, or not the cap, just the rotors. And the cap was okay. I can't remember, honestly. Maybe I did do the cap. I know I did at least the cap and rotors. Or I think I did. But yeah, so that, I think, will conclude this video. It's the longest one. We're approaching the 8-minute mark. But I just want to see exactly how cold we could get. And here we are, running with a warm battery, albeit fully charged up as well. And I did plug it in. The block heater works amazing in this. I didn't even know it had a block heater, actually. And then I went hunting for one, and it's got one. So, yeah, here we, you plug them in, and what a difference, it does make. Plugging in these old ones. Now my new van, newer minivan, I've never plugged it in. I don't find it makes that big of a difference on the newer stuff. I've tried it on a few of my newer ones, but anyway, that should conclude this one. We're idling there, right where we should be. Until the next one, everyone have a good day, good rest of the weekend. Stay warm if you're anywhere where it's cold.